Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Excited about our pole barns going up all across America. We ship nationwide. Our trusses are engineered. All of our trusses are the heavy-duty agricultural 2-inch angled steel. We go up to 60-foot clear span. Man, we're excited about that. We got the best pricing on our trusses out there. We're excited that people can build a simple pole barn, carports, garages, pavilions, riding arenas for their horses and tractor sheds and all those kind of things with a system that's really simple. The purlin cups are on top of the trusses, 2 foot on center. Everything that we've got is measured outside post to outside post, 30 foot, 40 foot, 50 foot, 60 foot, 24 foot. We got shed trusses. We keep these trusses in stock also. 24s, 30s, and 40s are 12-foot sheds. So if you're looking to buy something and have it quick delivered to you, we've got them on hand right now so we can ship them out to you. And also, if you're interested in our dealer program, give me a call at 828-413-4201. 828-413-4201. I can get you set up as a dealer. Very low investment. I'll protect your selling area. I won't sell over top of you. And man, you're going to make over 32% margins on all of our trusses. Man, this is an exciting system and people are inquiring. So if you're any kind of an entrepreneur, you're a business person, we've got them set up now in the Carolinas and Virginia and places like that. And so it's a growing network and we want to get you guys involved in it so that you can be the first in your local area so that you can start making money on the simplest system out there to build a pole barn or carports with the steel trusses. Anyway, I want to tell you also about a product that we have. A lot of people are mounting their trusses and posts like the pole barn kits are about $4.75 a square foot, and we give discounts to our veterans and our public safety officers. So if you want to put one on the roof, about $4.75 a square foot, but call me for pricing because we're always running sales and we give those discounts to our veterans. We love our veterans and our public safety. But a lot of people are attaching their, like up north in Connecticut and places like that, they want to keep their posts out of the ground. Here in the South, they still bury their posts and nothing wrong with that, concrete around it. But if you want to keep your post out of the ground, we've got the perma columns and things like that. As you can see, we provide all the hardware and everything that you're going to need to build your pier, to put your 6x6 right in here. We provide the bolt throughs for all those kind of things, and then you got your rebar coming off the back for your pier. Really a good system to keep it out of ground. And then we've got the ones, if you already got a concrete pad, we got the the perma columns with a sturdy wall. And you can see how you bolt through here, and then you got your screws to set your post, and you just got red-headed right into the concrete. Real simple system, very inexpensive. It's a good way to have your building built, keep it out of the ground as far as your lumber and that kind of thing. Here's your corner post for this kind of system right here. Real simple. Give me a call, 828-413-4201. We've got everything that you want to do for any kind of building system you're doing out there. Like I said, we ship nationwide. We'll sell you the trusses. We do labor. Give me a call on labor. Those kind of things. If we can't do it, I can give you a fair price on what someone could charge you to put your carport or your steel truss structure up. So give me a call at 828-413-4201 or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. God bless you.